Hi, and welcome back to Prestige Automotive Reviews. Today I'd like to discuss refastening the planks to the main frame of the trailer. That was my main concern when I first was doing the job, is how I was going to re-secure the planks. I needed 16 screws. I'm not going to bore you with how it came out and ripped out, and there's other videos online that'll show you how to do that, how to bend the wood. I didn't have to do that. Mine had a channel and it just laid right in the back. So mine was pretty straightforward, easy. But like I said, my main concern was how I was going to re-secure the 2x10s to the frame. So I needed 16. That came in at 16, two in each board, one in the front, one in the back. I came across the TEKS, T-E-K-S. Now, I'm not being sponsored by them. There's not a sponsorship for TEKS. It's just that what I personally used, and I think they passed the test. They're the self-driving screws, wood to metal, number 12, the orange label, and they're 2 3/4. They're wood to metal. I could have got away with 2 1/2, but I couldn't find 2 1/2. So I highly recommend these. Out of the 16 I put in, I would say only 2 of them, the head burnt out, and that's pretty good. 2 out of 16 is not bad. My other concern was it was a Phillips head screw. I used a brand new number 2 bit, this way I wouldn't strip it. But I'll tell you, it didn't strip, and I was very surprised it didn't strip, because you know how Phillips heads can go sometimes. But the two burnt out here, so 2 out of 16 is not bad. Also, what I did was, since I had the boards out, what I did was I went around the whole frame and I wire brushed everything, and then I gave it a nice spray paint, black Rust-Oleum. This way, get rid of the rust. But the job is pretty straightforward, so I highly recommend this. I used a miter saw to cut it. Right there, the wood. So, if you find this video helpful, please like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and thank you for taking the time to watch the video. Have a nice day.